Superlative adjectives. A superlative adjective compares three or more nouns. For example, this present is big. This present is bigger. This present is the biggest. Now let's see the rules to form superlatives. First things first, we always use the with superlatives. Like in the previous example, this present is the biggest. The formation of the superlative depends on the number of syllables in the adjective. For one-syllable adjectives we add the article, the, and est to the adjective. And so, tall becomes, the tallest. Here are some other examples. This is the longest way home. The adjective, long, becomes, the longest. This car is the slowest. The adjective slow becomes, the slowest. If the one-syllable adjective ends with an e, we just add s and t for the superlative form. The adjective large becomes, the largest. Let's have a look at some other examples. She is the nicest girl I know. The adjective nice becomes, the nicest. Now, for adjectives with two or more syllables, we add the most before the adjective. Expensive becomes, the most expensive. Let's have a look at some other examples. Interesting becomes, the most interesting. Dangerous becomes, the most dangerous. Beautiful becomes, the most beautiful. If the two-syllable adjectives ends with y, we change the y to I, and we add est at the end of the adjective. Happy becomes, the happiest. Crazy becomes, the craziest. Some superlative adjectives don't follow the usual rules. Here are some examples. Good becomes, the best. Bad becomes, the worst. Little becomes, the least. Many becomes, the most.